Hey, I've seen a lot of content creators. They say that you can make up to $1,000 just by watching video ads. And before going further, I had to ask ChatGPT if this is like the really and legal way for you to start making money in 2024. And this is what ChatGPT replied to me. Yes, there are platforms that offer compensation for watching ads, but the earnings are typically modest, and it's important to do research and become aware of scams. So the answer is yes. There are a lot of platforms that you can make money just by watching video ads, and the problem is how much you are going to make. So in this video, I'm going to try with you to see how much I'm going to make, and I'll be very transparent with you. I'm going to show you every step and how much I've actually made on these platforms. It's really easy, and I want you to join with me and listen to this video from this start to the end of this video so you can understand every step that I'm going to show you, and maybe this can be the best way for you to start making money in 2024. Okay, so let's dive in and see how this works. Hey friends, welcome to the channel. My name is Hans David. I talk about side hustle, personal development. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Okay, so this application is called PaidWork, and this application is paying different users across the world just by playing games, watching video ads, and filling out surveys on this application. And the good thing about this application is that you can install this on any device that you're using. You can be using your mobile phone, tablet, or laptop. So let's see how this application works. We have to go to Play Store or App Store, and we have to search PaidWork. Then you may have to install it right here. I already have this application on my phone, so you can go ahead and download this application. It usually takes like very short time, like 2 minutes or just 1 minute. And after downloading this application on your phone, you have to write your information like your name, your email, and the place that you're living right now. And this is how your dashboard will look like after installing this application on your mobile phone, and after filling out all the information necessary like your names and email. This is how your dashboard will look like. So for you to start making money just by watching ads on this application, you will have to click from your left side on the top. Then you're going to have to click earn right here. This is where you have to click this place which is written as earn, and now you're officially in a position to start making money on this application. So I'm going to show you how this works, and I will show you how much I made on this application. It's very easy. I want you to watch me till the end of this video. So the aim of this application, to pay different users of this application decent amount of money, is that they need to increase their brand awareness. They need to promote different companies' product or services. So the moment that you're watching this video is the moment that they're advertising this product to you, the person that you're watching this video. So they want you to watch different ads on the application so that their product can be promoted. And I really think that this is like the best marketing strategy. On this application, there are a lot of ways that you can start making money just by watching ads, playing games, and a lot of things. So you will be in a position to choose how you want to get paid, either by just playing games, watching ads, or filling out survey. And now let's choose right here, and by watch ads, and by watching video ads. This is how you're going to get paid, just by watching video ads. And then you have to choose Fiverr, and you have to click here, start watching. You have to make sure that you watch this video till the end. As you can see here, I'm watching this video, and then you have to check the point that how much you have earned after watching the first video on this application. So just by watching first video on this application for the first time, I've made like 0.01 cent. And we have to go to our dashboard, and you can see how much you have just made. But we have to watch another video. Let's see how much you're going to make. And right now we have made 0.9 points. Let's go to our dashboard so that you have to see how much you have made on this application. The good thing about this application is that the more you keep watching this video, the more you keep earning money. So I'm going to show you how much I've made and how much you can make on this application. Right now I'm going to show you my dashboard, and I'm going to show you how much I've made just by watching this video right now. But I want to tell you one thing about this application. I downloaded this application 2 months ago. It was August or September, I think. And I used like 2 hours watching different videos on this application, and the amount of money that I made on this application, I'm really happy to be transparent with you. I'm going to show you everything about how much I just made on this application. But also I want to tell you one thing. I heard people, they say that you can make up to $1 just by watching one video on this application, $2 just by watching two videos, and you can make up to $100 just by watching 100 videos on this application. This is what I've seen on YouTube. Many people, they say that you can make like decent amount of money just by watching videos on this application. But the truth is, my first day for me to download this application, I used like 2 hours to watch videos back and forth, and the amount of money that I made, it was really not what I expected. I made only 21 cents after me watching like 100 videos. I really want to tell you one thing about this application is that you really don't have to expect you can make $100 or $1,000 just by watching videos on this application, because I calculated that if you watch more than 1,000 videos, you can make at least $1 on this application. So you can expect to make at least $10 from this application, and it can take like 2 weeks or 1 month, I think, because it's very not easy to make even $1. So I think if you really want to make like $10, it's okay, because you can be able to withdraw if you reach $10 on this application. They can send this $10 to your bank account, or if you're actually using any payment method like PayPal. But you really don't have to expect like you can make $1,000, because it can take 2 years for you to make at least $200 on this application. It's really not how people are saying that you can make a lot of money on this application. And I really wanted to be honest with you, because it's really not a good thing for you to waste your energy, to be completely disappointed for you to expect like high amount of money, but you end up making like $10 or $1, because I downloaded this in August and I made only 21 cents, which is really like not a lot of money. But I've seen a lot of people, they say that you can make at least $10 or $20. So if you have free time, you can go ahead and try this, because I've seen people, they say that they made money, but it's not a lot of money. So thanks so much. I hope you have enjoyed my videos, and please do not forget to subscribe on my channel. Thanks so much. I hope to see you next time. Thank you.